Okay, good morning everybody. We're here in InfoSec 2025 with Cody Cornell, the founder of Swimlane. Swimlane is one of the products that is into the .Force portfolio, represented by .Force in Spain. Probably Cody doesn't recall it, but we first met in 2019 in RSA conference. So Cody, tell us what Swimlane is about and what is your best specialty?
I can't believe you called me out for not remembering you from almost 6 years ago. Jeez. At a conference of all places. Swimlane is, our goal has always been to help organizations do more with less, really, prevent breaches, ensure compliance. And the way we do that is through security automation with AI. And, our North Star has always been to help teams, get more done.
Yeah, but the SOAR automation that you provide is something really innovative because it has a little bit of both worlds, the coding and the graphical interface, the way that the thing interface and the number of integrations that you realize with other vendors that are already in places at the customers, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So, we have thousands of integrations for the product, and we're adding more every single week. And I really, like you mentioned, the thing that really sets us apart is we're a low-code platform. And I know that term gets thrown around a lot, but the capability to both do open the hood and if you need to, write code if you needed to, but really you can build almost any use case you want with a drag and drop builder to build playbooks, but not just playbooks. You can also build applications, user experiences, dashboarding, reporting. That's really unique. Most people, don't realize that you can build a full stack security application in one place in a matter of minutes.
So the best benefit for an organization, using Swimlane, what would you define it to be?
Yeah, most of our customers will actually see more cost savings in 3 to 4 months than they actually spend on the product. So if you think about, taking in signal and, things like SIM alerts or vulnerabilities or gathering compliance compliance evidence, that stuff takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of labor to get done. We're doing, billions of actions a day for customers, and that's really impossible to do by hand. And obviously, that's a huge time savings for them.
It is impossible. It can be inaccurate most of the case, because if you don't have playbook, and you have to play by ear, like the musicians used to say, you may do some mistakes.
Yeah, right? There's definitely places in life where playing by ear is great, but really consistency, repeatability, and predictability of what's happening within your security program is super important. Also helps if you're consistent and you collect data kind of in a very programmatic way. The reporting is better, the auditing is better, your ability to train new users, to train AI. There's lots of benefits that come from that.
So Swimlane is ready with .Force to help MSSPs because also the platform is a multi-tenant platform. Yep. So the main goal with MSSPs would be help them, have this technology on board and servicing a number of customers from a single pane of glass, right? Is that another advantage that we can say?
Yeah, multi-tenancy is obviously something that's the core of the product. We work with the biggest companies in the world, right? So the multi-tenancy, the performance, the scalability, the security of the platform are all paramount. Our customers have really high expectations. But for managed services specifically, if you think about their business, the more revenue they can support from a managed services perspective without having to hire more people, which is more cost, the better margins they have. So, the business of automation is very aligned with managed services. A lot of our customers are managed services customers, some of the biggest in the world. And, we continue to see that market grow for us.
So more accuracy, less mistakes, less investments, incompetences that are hard to find, all in an orchestrated platform.
Yeah, absolutely. Think about if you're a managed service provider that supports multiple SIMs, multiple EDRs, multiple threat intelligence sources, you really only have to train your analysts on one platform, one single experience. And thankfully that single platform is also doing a lot of the work for you. So just the ability to ramp up new staff, to get more done, to be more consistent, more predictable customer experience. A lot of people are using Swimlane as their customer portal, the place where their customers come in and collaborate with them in real time on cases and tickets and things like that.
Thank you, Cody, for what you're doing for the industry and what Swimlane is doing for the industry. If you guys want to know more, just give us a call or contact us. Thank you very much.
Yeah, again. Thanks, sir. Appreciate it.
Ciao.